All right, guys. So here's another video. Dylan, my mechanic, is going to be helping me today.
Hell yeah.
We picked up this Miltech Sport exhaust for $700. Actually, 800. It's only beat up because I scratched it.
That's gonna be a bitch.
Here it is. Hopefully it sounds good and I don't regret it. We also bought these cheapy little ramps.
Oh yeah.
Here it is. Here it is. And then we also did a stage 1 tune unitronic. It did make a pretty good difference, to be honest. Totally worth it. And it's on sale.
100%. Alright, well this is gonna be a bitch to put on. The little rubber clamps?
Yeah. Alrighty. We're gonna do the before, just so we know what it sounds like. So that's it. Is that one open or closed? So that's open right there. So there you go. It's right here. And Dylan's already doing it. Just loosen those up, slide them up, and then take off the clamps up there.
The clamps is gonna be annoying. I feel like that's what's gonna annoy me the most.
3 weeks later.
I just ended up buying a brand new exhaust from APR instead, since the Miltech one that I bought off OfferUp did not have all the parts included. There you go.
Can I close the trunk?
No, you can leave it open here.
Right.
Give me a second. Okay, so we finally installed it.
Take one.
Hey, just let it warm up first, though.
I know. You have a key.
Let me know if any lights come on.
No lights.
No lights?
No lights.
Just let it warm up, see what it does. It sounds almost the same. Ah. All right.
Have it?
Yeah, if you want. It's still pretty quiet though.
Yeah.
Huh?
No, it's pretty low. Alright, I'm gonna take it for a spin.
All right, pull it out. Huh? Yeah. Is it on open and out? Open?
Yeah, dynamic?
Yeah. It still sounds pretty quiet for what it is.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right, we're still testing it out, but
Making sure, you know?
it's still kind of quiet. Is that open or closed? That's open? Go.